All right, Lisa here with Ken with PowerTrekk. Ken, tell us what you've got.
Well, today I'm going to show you our fuel cell charger, and the fuel cell charger is designed for someone who's going to be off the grid for a few days. It's a great way to charge your cell phone, GPS unit, any handheld device like a GoPro camera, like a Hero, where you're going to be not have a reliable source of power. Very easy to use, green source of power. How it works is there's a little port here where I'm going to put just a little bit of water in there. You can take water out of a stream, lake. Essentially, you want to take the cleanest water that you can find. You're going to close that, and then you're going to pressurize the system. What that does is we're going to get water that's going to flow in here and start to irrigate this power puck. What the power puck has in it is sodium silicide, and the sodium silicide is going to grab the oxygen out of the water and release a hydrogen gas. That hydrogen gas is going to pass through this valve, through this hole, and essentially it's going to run through a membrane here, react with the oxygen in the environment or the atmosphere, and start to create power. This is going to be great. It's for in a remote area where you don't have power, and the nice thing about this is it's going to give you power immediately. This one actually right now is running. You can see the green light on, and it's producing a hydrogen gas which is running through the membrane, creating power. You can see the lights blinking. I'm going to plug this in. If I wanted to start charging this GoPro camera,
Can we
micro
charge?
USB?
sure.
Can we charge the BlackBerry?
Sure.
Let's stick my BlackBerry right there. And
All right.
It's got a power plug right there for micro USB.
Micro USB. So all we're going to take is nons. Okay, we'll get the correct.
There you go. Yep. Is it like a charger or something? It is.
Then I'll simply press this green button, and it'll start to charge.
And we're charging.
This is going to be put out the same amount of power that you would have at your house. One of these pucks will retail for about $3 to $4. The PowerTrekk unit will retail for about $229. Will be available May 2012. And great lightweight, 8.5 ounces for the PowerTrekk unit. A little over an ounce per puck. One of these pucks will fully charge an iPhone, like a GoPro Hero camera, about 2 to 2.5 times per camera. So if you're out in the woods and need a lot of extra power but don't want to carry the extra weight, this is going to be a great solution for you.
And how many times can we use the puck?
The puck is a one-time use. Basically, the nice thing about the puck, though, as opposed to a battery that you're left with toxic chemicals like lead that you don't want to throw back in the environment, what's left in here is sodium silicate, and essentially we use that every day when we brush our teeth. It's sand that they put in the scrubbing materials that we use, so it's non-toxic. We're really going to try to work with our retailers to have a collection program, because these can be repurposed and recycled and put back into refilled. So that is the Power Puck and PowerTrekk.
Where do we find it?
It's if you go to PowerTrekk.com.
2Ks and PowerTrekk.
2K.
Okay.
Retail.
Thanks a lot, Ken.
Thank you.